morning, guys. Good morning, guys. How is everyone doing? I hope that you all are doing okay. How? Let's take a minute and brushing my skin. My skin was somehow breaking out, but I love that it's coming back together. But I think ilikuwa ni a period. So, guys, the reason why I'm shooting this, I want to do a before video of my bed area where I sleep, where my bed is, because I want to do a mini makeover over here today. I'm not going to be doing like as much, but I just want to do something little here so that, because it's so plain, like it's just a bed and a bunch of clothes that have not folded. And I'm not going even to hide that, because over here we are authentic. I want a story of perfection. I'm just going to be here who I am, like the real me, the real deal. So yeah, that's what I'm about to do. So let me show you guys the before, then I'm going to show you the after. I really hate this window. I hate my window when you go up a bed, because it's old and iko na uchafu, and I can't manage to wash it because uchafu iko side. So guys, this is the before video of my bed area. I've not even done my bed, but this is just it. This is the before of my bed area. That's how it looks. I want to do or make over that wall over there, hapo kwenye kuna bed. And now that's the window. I'm telling you guys, I hate it because it has a lot of stain and I can't manage to wash it, because there's no way I can wash it, because huko nyuma si place mtu anaweza enda, like it's a wall behind there. Then this the other wall I want to make over. I want to do some stickers and have hangers over here. Ni hang my coats. I initially thought I wanted to do a custom made wardrobe, because this house did not come with a wardrobe, but I had a different vision, because I want to do something over here. Let me show you guys. You see, from that wall hapo kwa kona up to penye hii bulb imefika, I want to do like some palette or nitangwa nini hizo vitu. I'm going to attach a picture for you guys to get the idea of what I'm talking about. So this is the situation. I have not done my bed because I want to come and do the makeover right now. I want to go to the supermarket and see if I can get hangers, because I forgot to get hangers when I was buying all the other supplies. Those are just my clean clothes. I did laundry recently. Nasijazikunja, I'll be doing that also. The reason that I buy this dakunja is because I want to sort my clothes, because I'm decluttering. I have a lot of clothes that I want to let go because they no longer fit me. That is why that's placed in a hivyo. I can ignore the mess. Me, by the way, I'm a very messy person, so this is it. So this is the before. I'll be coming back with the after in a few. So guys, these are the prints that I printed out. I went with this green one because the color of my house is mint green. Yeah, I think mint green. Then I thought this one is going to be very cute, but I don't really like it. Then this is just another print, happiness. Let me pause whatever I'm watching first of all. So what I was saying, these are the prints that I printed out, and these are the frames that I'll be using. I really don't know. I'm very confused, because this is the wall that I want to have the frames on. I feel like it's big, so I'm like contemplating, should I have my personal picture? I have this personal picture over here, this portrait, and I'm like, should I shift it to have it here? But again, I feel like if I bring the portrait here, I'm not going to have like a good symmetry or whatever it's called. So I'm not sure about that, but I want to open up these frames and have these prints in, and then I'm going to figure out which is going to go here, because I want to sort everything and have the clothes that I don't wear in this bag over here. Then I'm going to give them out, then have only the clothes that I wear back there after I've kunjad them. Bought these what are they called? These things za kuhang stickers ama hooks. I'm really not sure whether they're going to stick and hold the things that I want, because these are the same hooks I want to use to hang these frames. I'm really not sure whether these are going to work, but let us see. I'm not sure where I'm going to have you guys as I do this, because I wanted to document everything, but let me figure.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. We can do nothing at all. So what, if you're stupid then you know there's nothing wrong. But you and me got a whole lot.
So those are the hooks that I want to have my trench coats and my coats and my blazers hanged. I really hope they are going to hold, like, but they seem like in a hold. I really hope it will stick, like it will hold kabisa. And I love that they are clear, so I know the mob going on. So now let's hang our coats before we can make over this at the end. So guys, these are the blazers and the tiny coats. Then these are the long coats, and these are the medium, like zenye refu sana. And these are the hangers that I'm going to use to hang them. I really hope they're going to do what I want to do, like the vision I have in my head. It's okay. So let's do this guys.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up.
Oh my god guys, it can't hold. It cannot hold. How? Fuck, it can't hold. Inatoka. Wow. I didn't make that one equal. It holds those. Hii ni mzito sana, imekata kuhold it. But ni sawa. You can have those there. Hey, sasa kama it can't hold that one, it'll hold nini? Hey, I don't know what it's gonna hold, but let's just see. How it looks. This one is heavy, imekata kufit. I'm not sure whether the vision I had imetokea the way I wanted. I don't feel it, manze. Let me see, feel. I don't feel it. It's not as cute as I thought it's gonna be. It's not as cute, but I think we have to work with it because we have to have somewhere to hang some of the clothes. So this is what we have to work with for now. How does it look, guys? A book comment below, let me know. But I don't like it, and I know it's not durable. It can't serve me. So in as much as I didn't want to have a closet because I felt it's gonna take a lot of space, I think I'm going to have one. Like I'll be forced to have one made. So that's how that corner turned out. The stickers are not as, strong as I expected them to be, and they can't hold as in nini mingi, so kama ni mzito, because one of my cords imekata ku hold. But I'm glad that I have somewhere I can keep them for now before I figure out the situation here. So yeah, this is going to serve me for now, because it just has to serve me for now. So let's now work on this and see how it's gonna turn out. Yeah, I made my hair and I didn't like how it turned out, so that's why I'm not even comfortable having it equal to. I don't like these lines. So on to now these. I have to unhook and try this whatever and only so that I can insert this. So that's what I'm about to do. Oh my god. Oh my god. Missing a scissor. All done. I have all the screws back. It's actually easier than I thought. And then that's our frame. That's what we have. It's cute, right? It's really cute. I love it. And it matches with my color. You can see on the background the general color of the house is mint green, and then you can see this matching. So yeah, that's the first one. On to the next one. Now you work on this. Yeah, for this one I'm going to have, I don't know, I don't feel this as much. I think I'm just going to have this. I'm going to have this. This is how it looks after I remove this barrier. This is how it looks, and now we're going to have our printout right here. When you have the printout, now it becomes this way. So let's do that. This is the second piece. That's how it turned out, and all the screws are in place. I love it. So far we have these two. Now we work on the last piece, which is a little bit smaller as compared to the others. This one, that's how it looks. And I'm not sure. I'm going to have this message right here. So I'll have to cut part of this to have what exactly fits on this one, because this is an A5 sized frame. So let's do that. Let me remove the hooks, have the picture inside, then show you guys the after. And that's how the last one looks like. Yeah, I still have like 2 printouts left, but I don't feel like using them. But I really love how they turned out. They really look so. Guys, that's the progress so far. I know it's not like well done, and I've not like gotten the measurement apart visually. I think this one should have been up in the middle. It would have been cute that way. After changing that up, I think that looks better. Yeah, we're going to work with that for now. I know it's not like it did not turn out the way I had expected, man, but it's okay. I'm going to work with this. Mimi, but I'm a perfectionist, like a very terrible perfectionist. I always want things to turn out a certain way, but I'm going to work with this for now. So now I'm going to decorate that part there on top of the headboard, and I'm going to show you now the final review once I'm done.